as we have studied that the plus, multiplication, division and minus, these four operations we have completed. Each one we have studied separate. Now our this step of studying is mixed operation. Mixed operation mean we will be concerned to all these operation one by one. Mean we will have these all operation in a single question. It is not necessary that we will possess these four operation. It is not necessary. May we have only two operation, we may have three operation, or we may have all these operations in a single question. So I am going to write a question and then I will solve that question step by step. Pause. So I am going to write a question. 3 upon 2 multiply 6 upon 2 divide 3 upon 2 plus 2 upon 3 multiply 6 upon 1 multiply 1 upon 1 minus 3 upon 2 multiply 6 upon 2. Suppose we have such type of a question, how we will solve this? How we will solve it in a particular condition? So first of all, we know very well that as previously I told you people, that if we have a mixed operation, so this is a plus. If we have mixed operation, mean mixed operators we have, first we will solve divide, second we have to solve the multiplication, third we have solve the plus operation, and the end we have to solve the minus. So in this question, as an example I have taken, here we have possessed all the four operations. So how would we solve it? Come, suppose first of all we have to solve this here over a divide. We have a divide, so 3 upon 2 multiply same, 6 upon 2 same, divide into multiply. This fraction, this number will be changed. 2 will go up and 3 will come down. This is the rule of divide. Plus same, 2 upon 3 multiply same, 6 upon 1 multiply 1 upon 1 minus same, 3 upon 2 multiply 6 upon 2. Look, we have done the division step. We have changed the divide into multiply. The number are also changed. You may see clearly over here. Now our second step is to solve the multiply. First we have solved divide, now we have to solve the multiply. How? 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Okay? 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Now come, here is a plus. So we are not allowed of this number to cancel over here. So here is like a wall. It's a wall between this operation to this. So we can easily now solve this one. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Now come to the point, the same process is over here. We cannot cut this number to here because we have a minus over here. So easily you can use your table method. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Now look, we have done the division over here. Now we have done the multiply. Okay, see over here. Now come to the point. Now we have the plus operation. 3 ones are 3, 1 ones are 1. Same plus over here. 2 twos are 4, 4 ones are 4, 1 ones are 1. Minus same. 3 threes are 9, 1 twos are 2. As previously I taught you people that if we have a plus or minus, we do the LCM. Okay, now we have to do the LCM. Easily we can see that its LCM will be 2, but I want to do this in front of you people. Pause. Okay, but as I have give you the LCM over here, okay, now I want to do in front of you. Look, the least number we have 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2, so the LCM is 2. Now we have to make the three radicals. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. 2 will come inside over here. We have to divide upon this. 2 ones are 2, multiply by 3, 2 threes are 6. Plain same. Now same on 1, we have to divide it. 1 twos are 2, multiply by 4, 2 fours are 8. Okay, now here 2 ones are 2, multiply by 9, 1 nines are 9. Okay, this is a plus, this is a plus 1, and this is minus 1. Okay, 6 plus 8, 14. Okay, minus 9, you will have 5 answer. Okay, now this is your answer of this whole process. Here what did we understand? Here what I taught you? I taught you if you have a mixed operation, mean you have multiply, plus, minus, division, how would you solve it? What are the rules regulation of mixed operation in a question, how to solve it? And I have cleared in front of you people step by step. First of all, we have to solve the divide, then we have to solve the multiply, then we have to solve the plus, at the end we have to solve the negative. This is the lesson for today. Thank you for listening.